The Nitrogen Cycle by Kyla Jordan. Why is nitrogen such an important part of life? Nitrogen is an essential part to life because it is a key component of proteins and nucleic acids. Nitrogen also occurs in many forms and is continuously cycled among these forms by a variety of bacteria. Now let's explore the nitrogen cycle. First step of the nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. In this step, gaseous nitrogen, N2, is converted into ammonium, NH3. For this to happen, bacteria that live on the roots of plants converts nitrogen from the atmosphere into usable ammonia. Assimilation. What is assimilation? Assimilation is the process in which plants and animals incorporate nitrate and ammonium formed through nitrogen fixation and nitrification. Plants take in the nitrate and ammonium through their roots. When they do this, they incorporate them into their plant proteins and nucleic acids. Animals are then able to acquire the nitrogen from eating the plants. When the plant or animal dies, it begins to decay. Bacteria or fungi start converting the nitrogen from the dead plant or animal into ammonium. This is called ammonification. This is the third step of the nitrogen cycle. The ammonium that is processed during this step is released into the environment and then able for either nitrification or assimilation. Then, bacteria called nitrifying bacteria will convert that ammonium into nitrites and then finally nitrates. This process is called nitrification. The final step is denitrification. Denitrification is the process in which denitrifying bacteria will convert nitrates into nitrogen gas. When the bacteria turns the nitrate into gas, it removes all the bioavailable nitrogen, which is dissolved organic nitrogen, and all the nitrogen or gas will return back to the atmosphere. After this, the nitrogen cycle repeats. Now, let's explore what happens when nitrates are leached. When nitrates are leached, they can move into our planet's water supply. Since nitrogen is a limiting nutrient, life is waiting for nitrogen to appear. Once nitrogen appears in a stream, for example, we will get an algae bloom. An algae bloom is a bunch of algae growing really fast. This is not a good thing because soon all the algae will die quickly. After the algae dies, other bacteria have to break them down through cellular respiration. Breaking down these organisms through cellular respiration takes a lot of oxygen out of the atmosphere. So the oxygen level would slowly decrease. This is not healthy for the water supply. This loss of oxygen can lead to a dense growth of plant life and deaths in many animals. This process is called eutrophication. Eutrophication is the excessive richness of nutrients in a lake or body of water, frequently due to the runoff from land, which causes a dense growth of plant life and death of animal life from lack of oxygen. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.
Who got the power?